Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down scope. Grant data access only to the single app and revoke any cross-app permissions. Once done, export the app's dataset to a compact format like CSV or JSON so you can inspect it locally. Make sure to create at least one backup copy in a separate folder or storage bucket before editing. This prevents accidental loss and lets you roll back. Now open the exported file in a lightweight editor and scan for obviously malformed rows to catch early issues. You'll now transform the data to match the app's internal schema, standardize timestamp formats, normalize ID and text casing, and split combined fields if needed. Once transformed, run schema validation to confirm required fields and types align. Automated checks catch subtle mismatches. At the same time, filter out records that don't belong to this app and remove or mask sensitive PII to meet privacy rules. After validation, create a small sample import to verify integrity before full ingestion. You finish by importing in controlled stages. First a dry run, then a 10% trial, and finally the complete dataset when confident. Monitor application logs and performance metrics during each step to catch errors or conflicts early. If you hit failures, immediately roll back to the backup, diagnose using the failed sample rows, correct the transformation or schema issue, and reapply only the fixed portion. One key tip: if imports timeout, split batches smaller and increase transaction timeouts to avoid partial writes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.